there is many ways to use your phone. You can use your phone to make money, especially in content creation. You know that content creation is a business. You understand? You can use your phone because some of the people, they are saying they are not employed, but you can have a platform that you can make money. TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. You understand it? TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, Instagram. Those are platforms that you can make money using social media, using your phone. You understand? Because, guys, sometimes you can say, I'm broke, but you have got a phone. Because some people, they can say content creation is a crazy thing, it's a crazy thing. No, it's not a crazy thing. You can think that is a crazy thing, that because just because you are shy, you have shy to come to public. You understand it? But when you don't have shy, or you don't have anything to start, because nowadays, guys, some of the people, they have got a lot of business by being in social media. You understand? Especially you have many followers. When you have many followers, you can sell your products in your platform. You can sell your products in your platform. You can use your platform to sell your products. You understand? Guys, nowadays, when you are doing business, you can use your platform to make a lot of money. You can lose your. So people, they can say those social media, it's not good, what. Yes, they say it's not good, but they don't even know that social media is a business. You understand? It's business. When you have your platform, it's a business. You understand? You can advertise some of the companies, especially in South Africa. There is many companies. You can advertise it, because, guys, some of the companies nowadays, they don't want to advertise their products on TV, just because most of the people nowadays, they don't watch TV. You understand? But they can use their phones. You can advertise for them, and then they can pay you. You are doing a business. Then you can say, you don't have your job, but you have got a phone, a iPhone with a good camera. You understand? Especially when you are using a iPhone 16. Guys, you have got a big business now, because you are using a nice phone. You understand? You are saying, guys, when you are broke, don't sell your phone. Use it to make money. You understand? Use it. Open something, people will follow you. You understand? Do something. Use it to make money than to sell your phone, that just because you are broke. You can make money through your followers. You understand? You can advertise products. You can advertise products, and you can sell your products in your platform. You understand? Guys, there is many things nowadays in social media. You can do many business. You understand?